Next
Hi.
session, from Annie.
Hi,
Yeah.
Nori.
Okay.
Hi, everyone.
How are you?
Great,
Cool.
great.
Yeah. Okay. Please share your screen.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Let's get started your talk.
Wait. Yeah. Okay. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining my session. For today, I'll be talking about community crowd hack. In every introduction of our community, we always talk about numbers, right? Data and numbers, how many members, how many events, how many workshops, and so on. So in this session, I will share my experiences on leading a community of more than 10K members in Developer Circus Jakarta. For this case, how I do some maintain in online group engagement up to 70% of the members during this COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, and for information too, I'm a founder of FemaleGeek, but in this case, we are talking about more into Facebook Developer Circus Jakarta. Let's talk about some points about community leaders or even just a member of a community. First is purpose. Back then, when I joined the community in around 2011, I go searching to the internet, trying to find an answer about my thesis project, and then I stumbled upon a Facebook group. I asked something, and I'm really glad because everyone's trying to help, and they are really helpful to me to do my thesis project. So a lot of people first come and join community, have some answers just like a forum, but actually community is not just a forum. People come didn't realize other benefits to join in a community. In example, they can have job opportunity, meet some mentors to do mentoring, or even do a project together with other members. Okay. Second, about being a community leader is we have to be the ambassador. We are the ambassador of our community. We are the agent, thinking about insurance agent or MLM agent to recruit more people to our community. So what can we do to recruit more members? We can share or post about our community or events. As you see in the screen, at the beginning of our Facebook Developer Circus Jakarta, around June 2011, I post about our groups, our community to one of the largest community in Indonesia, PHP Indonesia. So people come because I introduced our community to the Facebook group. Next is don't be too serious. What I mean, don't be too serious is about how we can throw or post a meme, but always remember we have to stay relevant and polite. As you can see on the screen, I post about how a student answer an exam question without using a looping function, and he just write down as the given case as the question on the exam. So just post a meme, then everyone can feel that this is not a too serious forum or group. Next, about collaboration. Okay, please remember that you are not alone. You can recruit volunteer and do some collaboration with other community too to create support system for you and help you with organizing things like posting articles, be an MC to an event maybe, or even being a speaker. Currently, in Facebook Developer Circus Jakarta, we have around 14 volunteers that help us in organizing an event, and of course, posting links to our forum to gain more engagement too. Next, partner up with other community. Are you having issue with lack of women attendees? Oh, we we do have the same issue. So in in our event, we partner up with women in tech community. It is FemaleGeek, and we got really huge attendees of women in tech, and that is really awesome. Next, use data. Just use data to, in example, determine when we are going to have an event, the date and the time, what is the best to organize the event. In example, we can use our insight in Facebook groups. In the screen, you can see that our popular days is Saturday. So we always held an event in Saturday, and for the online events, the best time to do an event is around 7 p.m. according to the data. So we use the data to hold an event on Saturday at 7 p.m. Next, poll is my best friend too, because we can use poll to determine which topics will be chosen in events or talks. Okay, the next thing is personal approach. Personal approach is about warm welcome notes for someone who just joined our groups, or we can give comments when someone posting about a tutorial on Medium or YouTube links, or even just an articles about new technologies and so on. Next is about compliments. Uh, when someone share their success story in forum or groups, we have to give compliments too. And also we have to answer question, or if we cannot answer the question, we can text someone that we believe that can answer the question. Note, please note that we shall not leave one post without any reaction or comments. Next, being community leaders, we have to give information about next events or new technology updates, or even our new programs like mentoring or workshop, or even if we have some swags to the members, we can give information with an updates in our forum or our groups. Okay, the last thing is how we want people to be known to us as community leader. We have to have a personal branding of happy and warm vibes. As you can see, Tech in Asia ever post about how to be a community leader with has a lot of friends and always taking wifis and so on. We can we can be and we can share warm vibes like when we do events before the event started on breakout session. We can do something like, oh, hello, where are you from, what are you doing, how's going, something like that. Okay, that's all from me about how to be a community leader and also have a growth hack to our community to make our community have more members and also keep sustain. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Thank you for your great talk and sharing your experience. Yeah, I will
Yeah.
pick up the question, the first one. Okay.
Okay. What
Yeah.
drives me to build developer community? I do. My major in study is computer science, and I found out that community not just uh, not just a place where I can ask about my project, but also I can find mentors. I can have more network. I can meet a lot of people. Then I think that it's a good thing that I also can be a leader to a Facebook developer circles and to make such an amazing community for developers to come, meet, and join in a meetup and others of our program.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. The next one. That
Okay, what is the biggest challenge that I face managing group of volunteers? How do you overcome it? For the biggest challenge is there are about 14 volunteer in Facebook Developer Jakarta with different background, and also they have their own personality. So we have to always like follow up things. What can we help to him or her? What they need to support their task. So that's why that we have to always have follow-ups regarding to the task for the events because they have different background and personality.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, the next one. Mhm.
Okay, how did you partner up with other communities? Oh, okay, because IT groups, IT people in our cities is who come in an event will be the next person who come to the other community event. So try to mingling over the people and have more have more no have more network. So we can ask them, oh, are you willing to do a collaboration? So we have to approach first, not just waiting the other to come to us and ask.
Cool.
How
Okay.
to support?
Mhm.
Okay, how to
Yeah,
support
go
is
ahead.
maybe we can just send an proposal for the events just like that when we already have the context.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. And the last question for you. Okay. Mhm.
How do you engage with communities and smaller cities? Okay, for Jakarta is the main cities in Indonesia, so it's probably the largest one in Indonesia. And how to engage with other communities in another city? So we can do some collaboration and make just like what we did earlier for developer circles Indonesia. We have a joint venture event, so we we had a collaboration event together. That's why I told earlier in the last question is how we can to be the first one to approach the others. So not just waiting the others to approach us, and ask them how we can make a collaboration event and so on. Thank you.
Yeah, cool. So thanks so much that your great talk and so sharing the great experience. Yeah. Yeah, thank you again.
Okay.
So Annie, yeah, bye there.
Bye. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank you.